Welcome to Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, and here's a great RV from our giant selection of motorhomes, fifth wheels, and trailers. This beautiful fifth wheel comes equipped with LED exterior lighting, flip-down travel rack, outside speakers, outside shower, stabilizer jacks, triple step entry, double slides, automatic levelers, kitchen island, vanity with sink, stainless sink, battery disconnect, living room fireplace, overhead shelf and bedroom, shower skylight, cable TV hookup, dual bedroom nightstands, ceiling fan, mini blinds, closets on both sides of the bed, wardrobe closet, trifold sofa, walk-around queen bed, LED interior lighting, kitchen pantry, tire pressure monitors, overhead kitchen storage, AM/FM CD DVD Bluetooth stereo system, oven. Bayou Outdoor wants to get you ready for outdoor fun with the boat or RV of your dreams. We carry over 200 new and used motorhomes, fifth wheels, travel trailers, toy haulers, folding campers from some of the most popular brands. Stop by today or visit us online at BayouOutdoor.com. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, providing savings, selection, and service for over 40 years. Welcome to the family.